This video aims to help you to simplify the search form, so which you find hard in Form 2 or even you are in senior form. But this is really hard, I think, because it depends on whether you know the square number quite well. But first of all, let's see how search can be simplified by the following two rules. One is about product. So square root a times b can be broken down into two parts, square root a times square root b. If it's a fraction a over b square root, it can be broken down into, again, square root a and square root b respectively. So these two rules provide us a way how we can simplify the fraction, especially the first one. Well, another thing I would like you to have some background or some ideas would be, in order to simplify search form in the quickest way, you need to know the square number quite well. So now take an exercise to write down 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, okay, so and so. If you can't spell out the numbers quite quickly, then you've got a very big trouble because somehow you're really quite weak or have no sense about the numbers. Maybe I'll just stop at 13 square. Can you just take a few seconds to read aloud of all these results? Let's take 10 seconds to do so. Quick test. Answer is 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, and 169. So if you can spell out more, so that's pretty good. Now according to this, so then how we can simplify the search form in a better way. So for example, square root 18. So first of all, you have to search among these square numbers, okay, all these square numbers, to see which one is related to square root 18. Of course, you may ask the calculator for help. For example, like, 18 over 9 is a 2, so that helps you to get the result. And then we will say is square root 9 times 2. So I like to put the square number in the front because it's something I'm going to take out. Afterward, by the rules of search form, then you know that it's square root 9 times square root 2, which is 3 times square root 2 afterward. Simplification of search form, there should be one part, the part in the front, which becomes an integer, while the latter part will be still a search form afterward. So finally, maybe I still use the blue color. So finally, it's 3 root 2. So the key of doing the question will be, let's recall it again. Pick the suitable number, 9, among the square number on the right hand side, and afterward, so you present 19 as this square number, you pick 9 times 2, and you may use your calculator for help. Okay, let's try to have some example like, what about is square root 75? Can you search for a square number quickly by yourself here? Yes, this time you should pick 25. And by calculator, you can check 75 over 25 is 3. So that's why it's root 25 times 3. Square root 25 is 5. Square root 3 is 3. And that's all. If you can apply the rules quite well, then you can finish all the question in just 2 steps. And then what if you have square root 80? It's harder, right? By calculator, you can check 80 over 4 is 20. But 20 seems still very large. How about you can pick a larger number in the division? Yes. Next, you will check that 16 is also a suitable number. So that's why in your presentation, now it's square root 16 times 5. First number, square root 16 gives you a 4. Next number, square root 5 is still square root 5, and that is. Okay, how about one more? What if you have square root like 180, as well as, maybe here's the last one, 338. Now, if you're still having taken out your calculator, please do so because the numbers are getting larger. Okay, I give you half a minute to complete the 2 examples. If you can get them, that's good. You manage this part very well. Okay, now come to the answer. 180. 4 of course helps you, so it's 4, 4, 16, 20, 45. But 45 is too big, then I will continue to check. And finally, you find that 36 is an unsuitable number. So that's why it equal to 36 times 5. Square root 36 is a 6, square root 5 is a 5, and that's all. 338 is very hard because 4 doesn't help, 6 not help, and you check, check, and check. At last, you need to check until 169, which gives you a 2. So it is one of the hardest questions because I give you a number which you need to check until 13 square. It goes to square root 169 times 2, which gives you 13 root 2 afterward. Now, do you feel better about simplifying third form? If yes, congratulations! So go ahead in your exercise and do well next time in this kind of question. Bye!